Here I have apples, I have tomatoes, I have carrots, I have plum, and I have boiled grounded chicken in here. So this boiled grounded chicken, you can actually use more than this, but this is what I'll be using today to make this baby. So another thing I'll be adding is I have cheese here. This cheese has low sodium, low salt, and I'll be adding this vegetable into this. So what I will do next is I'll cut all these ingredients, wash first, cut them, and boil, steam for like less than 5 minutes. You don't want to steam too much so that you don't denature all the nutrients and vitamins in this. So I'm going to wash all these ingredients. I have plum, carrot, tomatoes, apple, sweet yam, I have boiled chicken in here, and I have cheese here, and I'll be adding vegetable oil. So I'll cut, wash, and boil, and I'm going to blend. So I'm going to blend everything, and after blending I'll show you the result. Thank you so much for staying tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Cecelia O World.